Hi, what's up everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to do time blocking in Obsidian with your full calendar plugin. So this tutorial will show you how to do this in your Obsidian. So first we're going to go ahead and open up our settings. Now we're going to locate our community plugins right here, and then we're going to press browse. From there, all you have to do is search is full calendar here, as you can see, and then install this basically. So now it's installing. You'll have your full calendar plugin installed in just a few minutes, and let's enable this, of course. So once we enable our full calendar plugin, you're gonna see it right there. So let's just look for our full calendar right here. So there we go. We can open our full calendar right now. So here there's no calendars available, but you can do with your calendars like your own daily note or probably just iCloud. So let's just add one right here, and then you can choose a directory, of course. Then choose your color of liking. Just go with red, and let's just choose a random one. So there, add calendar, and now you have one. So here, let's just say we're gonna do a random event here. Add a title, so random, and then you can see that you can actually open this note, and you can even save the event, delete the event, open the note right here, and then you want to add the property. So if you can do if else properties right here, you can do so. So here, as you can see, you have your CSS classes. So if done blah blah blah, you just do it on your own, and you can just use this calendar plugin to organize your day as you go on. So basically, there you go. That is your full calendar plugin. That's how you do time blocking in Obsidian right here. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.